Hi guys, thanks for tuning in. This is Nyle Lynn. I got the Social Lighting 12-inch. Okay, this is a ring light. It is 12 inches. It's an LED ring light, and the kit includes the ring light, of course, a 6-foot stand, a mirror, a DSL or iPhone mount, you can use it for either, and a remote control clicker like this one that I got when I got my mini ring light from Socialiting. So I'm very excited about this. They were having a sale, so I got this like for around 99 bucks plus tax and shipping and whatever. And yes, I already have a ring light that I'm filming on. You can't have too many ring lights when you're an actress who has a YouTube channel. Okay, but the reason why I got this one is because it's smaller than my one at home. Now, if you're just getting one ring light and you're an actor and you're doing self-tapes, get the one that I have that I'm filming on. It's called Ivisi or Ivisi, and I'll link that below. But if you're a glam gal and you're making makeup videos, this one is going to be great for that because it has a mirror that's attached to it, and it's also smaller and more portable. So I'm going to unbox it for you here and show it to you. Here's the box. It came in a box that says 14-inch, which is kind of weird because it's not. It's the 12-inch. And look, here it is. Okay. So I loved the fact that, look, this fits in a bag. And do you need more than one ring light? Absolutely not. But you know, I'm just a bunch of extra and I have to try things. And that's what my channel is about, is sort of testing things out and looking at them and unboxing them for you guys so that you can be camera ready. So this is part of being camera ready, is having good lighting. All right, so it comes with the little click-on panels. And I prefer to use the white one and then adjust, but you can use whatever you want. I use the white one because it's a more blue light, and I have blue undertones, so that works well for me. Here is the actual ring light. I'm just being very careful here not to, you know, because I don't know what's in the bag. Okay, here's the actual ring light, because this is a legit unboxing. I did not take anything out. So here's the little plug. You obviously use it facing towards you, and you put your phone clamped in there, right? Or your camera clamped in there and on a tripod. So I'm going to set this over here. I have to be very careful with things because you guys know I drop things in my videos sometimes, and I do not want to drop the ring light. Okay. And look, you guys. So here is the mirror. You can see my laptop there. So, you know, of course I'll take the film off, but this mirror, this is why I'm saying this is good for glam gals. This mirror hooks on like this, okay? I'm gonna try to turn it around without breaking anything. You guys know I'm a bit of a klutz. So you see, this goes here. Your phone is... It's guaranteed that I'll drop something. It goes here. Oh, you guys. How do you deal with me? I just don't know. It goes right here. So your phone goes here, and the little phone lens looks at you like this and films you right here. So like this is the phone lens, right? And you're doing your makeup right into this mirror close up so you can really see what you're doing and what everybody's seeing on camera. And so I just thought for my beauty videos, because some of the things that I've done in the past, some of the comments I've gotten is, you know, that people like when I do especially products that are for anti-aging, they like it when I'm in close-up. And because I have a different YouTube setup now, I have more of a medium shot, you know. And so a close-up is, you know, obviously here. So a little camera terminology for you is more like here, right? A medium shot is usually a 3-button shot, 3 buttons of a shirt or below the boob, depending on what you want to have it look like. And it includes the shoulders. A close-up can include the shoulders, but it's more about the face. And then, of course, a wide shot shows the whole body and everything, which people don't usually do on YouTube unless it's for fashion. But for makeup tutorials, I do find that when I watch them, I do enjoy to see them in close-up because I want to see the detail of the blending of the eye. And when I'm looking for skincare and I'm watching somebody that's doing skincare and beauty, when they go close up on their face and I see the results of whatever product they're using or whatever treatment they've had, I can say, oh, okay, their skin has changed or hasn't changed or what have you. So that's why I think this is good for glam gals that are doing beauty videos. Not necessarily for acting at all, because I don't think it's good to watch yourself in a mirror while you're acting. I think that's actually very amateurish. Unless you're specifically working on facial relaxation, which is something I've actually had to work a lot on because you guys know my face is very expressive, and so I can understand it for that. What else is in this bag? Okay, so this is, oh, look at the little mini screwdriver. So this is directions, and that's little screws. That's so cute that they do that. They know us girls. They do. I mean, I hope that doesn't sound sexist, but if you're a girly girl like me, I mean, don't get me wrong. I have a toolkit, okay? But, you know, do I know where it is? No. Do I know where my shapewear is? Yes, of course I do. So it's really nice that they sent us glam gals a little screwdriver to screw in the makeup mirror to the ring light. Socialiting, this is a win. This is a win on this. Then this is this little clicker. Now I already have my clicker from my mini ring light that I got before, or maybe I purchased this separately. I can't remember. So I'll actually keep this and give it to a fellow actress friend, or maybe it'll be in a giveaway or something like that. And then this is directions. Step 1, set up tripod and tighten knobs. Okay, so it has a whole directions. This is great. This is so great that this is printed out and they didn't say go to this website, because you know, sometimes it's hard to assemble something while looking at a computer and looking at a website. I love printed directions. Now, mind you, I also love the earth. So if you have a huge manual, I don't need all the huge manual of directions. You know, put that online and send me a small step-by-step thing like this. This is what I like. Small, one page. We're not wasting a bunch of trees. Okay, so that goes in here. I'm actually going to put it back in, you guys, because I'm not going to set it up for you guys today. This is just an unboxing, I think. Who knows? Who plans these things? I don't. Okay, so let's see. This should probably go downwards. Okay, there's a pocket in here. All right, goes back in like that. I'm just going to put it back in because you know how I drop things. So there's the bag. I love that it came in a bag. And let's see what else we have. Okay, let me make sure that that's in a safe place. Okay, let's see what else we have. So in here we have the tripod. Okay, and it's in a bag too. Good job, Socialiting. I love bags. Isn't that great? It's like a yoga bag for a tripod, you guys. So you can sling that over your shoulder and have your ring light and your thing and, you know, go to a spa and do a video. Let's see what else is in here. Okay, so this looks like the power cord. And something else. I actually will keep the box probably for storage. I'm not really sure. I have a feeling I'm going to use this one a lot because I already like it. Now, mind you, I still do think for acting and acting alone, the Ivisi or Ivisi, couldn't find the pronunciation anywhere. And I'll link that below because that's a better option. Of course I dropped something. Okay, so this is the charger, obviously. Right? And plug. So this is the power source. I shouldn't say charger. I'm thinking of as like cell phones. But this is the power source, obviously. Let me see what I dropped, you guys. Oh, do I... Can you tell me, is there ever a video where I don't drop something? Okay, this is, I believe this is called a cold shoe. I'm going to open it for you guys. I could be wrong. Oh, wait, no. The cold shoe is the little thingy that it goes in. And this is the doohickey that goes in it. And I do not know what it's called. So that goes in. Or does it go this way? Oh, I think it goes this way. Yeah. This will slide in. Oh, okay. Yeah. All right. So the phone or whatever or thing goes in on top of here. Okay. I figured it out. You see, you guys think I'm tech savvy or something. I'm really not. It's my husband who is tech savvy and I am social savvy. And so we balance each other out. Okay. So this is the thing here. Your phone goes in there. And then this, you can just put it in like that. Oh, and this is probably for your this is for your DSLR camera. So this is the mount for your DSLR, and it goes and slides into your ring light. There's sort of it's called a cold shoe. I would call it a port. That's what I would call it. I would call it a camera holder port. I don't know why it's called a cold shoe. And so this also slides in. It like goes like this, like that, and then your phone goes there. Okay, so we have I'm going to put them back because, you know, I like to keep things in their little baggies and all in one place. Okay, but this way you guys know if you watch a beauty video and I have a beautifully lit close-up of me doing eyeshadow in the future, which I have not had in the past because I was using, you know, that mini ring light, which was great to start off with, but, you know, it's not as fancy as this. Okay, so this is the tripod. Look, that's easy. That's easy to carry. This is so portable. I love that it's so portable. So the thing is you guys, you have this and this to carry, and that's it, you know? And so this would be great for travel, for beauty gurus that are traveling. If you're, you know, a makeup artist or a hairstylist and you want to take pretty pictures of people to post to your social and you're running around town, it's very portable. So let's see. All right, I'm gonna unzip this for you. There's the tripod, and it's set on the website. Let me check the website. The computer's right here in front of me. I had to put my passcode back in because the screen went away. So it says this is a 6-foot stand. So this unfolds to 6 feet. This is the top of it. Right, so it would unfold that way. This would go on the floor like that. And then these would unfold this way. I think I would have to, I have to loosen this first. Okay. All right. So you see, that's how it opens up, like a spider. Well, kind of like an upside down spider. You guys get it. It totally flattens out. It's awkward to do. It's not hard. It's like not you know, like as far as like strength wise, it's just awkward. So I'm gonna put that back there and set it down. All right, so that's my Socialite 12-inch LED ring light kit unboxing. And let me see if there's anything else on the website here that I can tell you about it. They're having a sale at Socialiting. I'll link that below. And sometimes there's an even bigger discount. So hopefully that's helpful for you guys. Thanks for tuning in. This is Nyle Lynn. Have a beautiful day.